or a low beam? Go now, bud. Right, and then I'll do a high beam. Ready? Rock and roll with it. That's my high beam, yeah? Now try yours. That's pretty wild, yeah. That's intense, man. Whoa! They're bright, bud. I know, shut yours off. Look at that. Yeah, that's high beam. That's high beam, bud.
So here we are in Boss Garage. We got the Neutrino RJWC lights we're going to install here. Oops, my RJWC. So a couple brackets for your low beams, I do believe. Everything's plug and play. Harnesses all included. And as we promised, courtesy of our good friend Trevor Brown at Dirty Life, we're going to get to this RJWC dual slip-on Mud Edition exhaust system. This thing is killer, really. Look at this thing.
Yeah, that's a story right there.
This is quite the grab. So I guess so. I do believe it is for the 1000 XP, not high lifter edition, for 2017 and 18.
850?
850 as well, I think. 850, 1000, pretty sure.
I'll have to do some digging, but I'm pretty solid.
Yeah.
850 and 1000.
Well, there's your bracketry. Drop a comment specifically saying I'd like to be entered for the RJWC slip-on exhaust for the Sportsman, and we'll do a draw and get this shipped out to some lucky viewer,
maybe
man.
Maybe just throw the year and model of their bike in there. Comment, right?
There you go. Year and model of your bike.
Sure fits.
Yeah.
I'd like to be. It'd be nice to have someone actually use it.
Yeah. We'll double check. Just throw your model and year and model on there, and we'll make sure it fits.
That's right. And you don't have to own a bike. Maybe your dad owns one. Maybe you want to surprise him with a little. Well, at this point, probably a little late Christmas present, or we got the old Canada Post on strike right now, eh? Killer boys. Just wicked. Little tires. Little tires. Ready to watch them squint. Ow! Ow, they say. Look at that. You know, the low beams are pretty darn bright too. Like, you don't get bang, bang. Wow. Yours look like running lights. Drop a comment down at the bottom of this video, boys, if you want to win yourselves a Polaris Sportsman XP 1000 2017-18 dual slip-on Mud Edition RJWC series exhaust system. If that ain't a mouthful, then I don't know what is. We'll see you guys soon.
You know, you're gonna have to leave this garage, but I got the camera on right now.
Just say it, eh? You guys got some ammunition, you guys can dish it.
Ammo's in the throttle, bud.